Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart from 2019, and I'll show you how to do a hard reset using a secret code, basically through a project menu. So we'll start off by opening up the dialer app and then type in the following code that you will see on the screen right here. And once I press the star, it will go straight to the project menu, so you can pause it if you like. If you got it, just press on the star and go straight there. And from here, you have Reset Factory, so just tap on it and confirm it, and are you sure? Okay. So just tap on that and wait for the device to basically remove all personal data from the phone, and yeah, it might take a couple minutes, so just be patient. And once it's finished, you will be greeted by the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that's actually visible. And as you can see, now the process has been finished, completing the hard reset. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. And just as a ending before that, the phone will automatically turn off after this process, so you might want to turn it back on. Nothing went wrong, it just shuts off. So power it back on, like so. Okay, see you in the next one, I guess.